Hey there, folks. All right, so got a little package here. This is the last of the Christmas giveaways that came in, and this one is from our friend Vinny, BNSF6951. So yeah, that was an awesome stream, Vinny. As always, had a great time. And yeah, so my number was drawn for this particular prize. So yeah, let's see what we got here, eh? Oh, cool. All right, another shot card. Hooray! More confetti. All right, so this year, again, like last year, I won a locomotive. And we'll dig around in here after and see if there's anything else in there, eh? All right. So like I said, my name was drawn. I was number 9. Number 9. Number 9. Number 9. And this is Walther's train line locomotive. I believe it's a CSX. So let's check her out, eh? Sweet. Awesome. So yeah, that's second year in a row that I've won a locomotive. And, this is, I believe this is just DC only. And there she is. She's a beauty. So in my area, CSX does run. So that's kind of cool. So anyway, thanks again, Vinny. I appreciate everything you do for the community. It was an awesome Christmas stream again. And yeah, so if I'll leave a link in the description to Vinny's channel. And he has a live stream on Friday evenings, I think 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock. But I'll leave those details in the description. Again, here's his YouTube channel. Good times, good times, good times. So, all right, folks, until next time, have a good one.